Good morning, children. How are you all? I hope you people are fine and safe. I offer you all in the hand of Jesus Christ to protect us and keep us well. Now, we are going to see the first unit of grammar part modal verbs for 10th standard. A modal verb is used to indicate modality that expresses a speaker's general intention, that is, ability, permission, request, capacity, suggestions, order, obligation, advice, etc. The modals are can, could, may, might, will, would, shall, should, must, are to, need, used to, and dare to. Children, remember that modals do not change with the person or number of the subject. Don't think that grammar is difficult. It's very easy to learn. Just give concentration, it's enough. By understanding, you can learn easily and you can achieve good marks also. Now, let us see elaborately related to the topic. I have divided the modal verbs as type, modal verbs, examples. First, we are going to see ability. Ability which shows the capacity what we have. The modal verbs are can, could. Let's see the example. First, Rohan can speak 3 languages, which indicates the capability of Rogan. The second one, he could speak fluent French when he was 5. Children, remember that when we use can, we should use the verb 1 beside can. That means already I have taught you the verb forms. The next one is permission. Already we used to ask permission to others. For that we can use can, could, may. The examples are, can I sit in that chair? So we are asking the permission. We are using the question mark. Second one, in the past form we are using, could I open the window? Then, may I borrow your dictionary? So these are the sentences we are using for permission. Third one is advice. For advice, we use should for modal verbs. For example, you should visit your dentist at least twice a year. You are giving the advice to others, so we are using the modal verb should. Next one is obligation. For obligation, we are using must, have to as modal verbs. For example, I must memorize all of these rules about tenses. The next one is, you have to take off your shoes before you get into the mosque. So, you are showing the obligations through these modal verbs must, have to. Next one is possibility. For possibility, we are using the modals might, may, could, can. These are the modal verbs we are using. For example, it looks nice, but it might be very expensive. So these are the obligations we are showing that. Then second one, John maybe come to see us tomorrow. Next one is he can get the job. So these are the possibilities. It may or may not. It should happen or should not. So for this possibility, we are using the modal verbs might, may, could, can. These are the types we are seeing. Next one, I'm going to teach you the modal verbs for asking permission. For asking permission, we can use can, could, may, would. These are the words we are using as modal verbs. For informal, we are using can. Already you all know informal means casually we can talk to the friends and also to the younger ones. For first one, can I borrow your pen for a minute? Second one, can I speak to John? So you are asking to your friends or younger ones informally. For politeness, we can use could for past tense. First one, could I please have a glass of juice? Next, second one, could I open the window? So, for the politeness, we are using for elder ones to show the politeness. And also for the past tense, we can use I could do yoga when I was young. So, already it had happened in the past. So, now we are saying that I could do yoga when I was young. Next, formal. For formal, we are using the modal verb may. For example, may I ask a question, please? May we go home now? So, we are asking the permission formally. Then, in the polite manner, we can use would. For would, example, would you mind if I asked you something? So, these are the way we are asking in polite way. So, when you speak with the elder person, we use could to show polite. Children, you can take the notes separately for English grammar. Today's homework is create the sentences by using the modal verbs. Thank you, children. Stay home, stay safe. Thank you.